Howdy folks, Jimmy Weller with Jimmy's Crash Course out here along our 14-foot landscaper lines. I want to talk to you about two different ones. This one being the first one, it's an 82 inch by 14 foot. Now 82 inches is the widest a trailer can be without the tires being underneath the bed. The trailer overall is going to be 102 inches, and that is the widest a trailer or vehicle can be driving down the road. This one is a 2-axle trailer, so it's going to have brakes on both axles, radial tires, easy lube wheel bearings. Does have the treated wood floor, spare tire mount on the front. But I want you to take a look at the gate. Notice how it's laying on the bed. Benefit to that, there's multiple. It saves you wind resistance. You're going to get better gas mileage. You don't have to worry about it, dragging you back. So you just lay it down when it's empty, and it'll save you some gas. Also, if you have something extra long, like a kayak, a canoe, or a piece of wood, or a tree, you can lay it right off the back, just put it on the gate, you're not going to hurt the gate, and you're good to go. And then when you're ready, you stand it up, you can hook the pins in, and it'll stand up like the trailer next to it, or you can fold it back to drive on. So this is the first trailer, 82 by 14, and then we're going to look at this one, because this one is also 82 by 14. However, it has one axle. So this would be good if you're hauling 2 lawnmowers. Lawnmowers don't weigh a whole lot, normally between 500 to 1,000 pounds. And this trailer is good for about 2,000 pounds. So it'd be great for 2 lawnmowers. Or if you're hauling something heavier like pallets of pellets or firewood, this one's gonna be able to hold about 5,000 pounds. Same trailer, same size, one just has an extra axle and electric brakes. So if you need a 14-foot trailer, 12-foot, 10-foot, 8-foot, come on out to Weller's Utility Trailers. We got a lot of trailers, new and used, and we want to sell you one. Check out wellers.com 24/7.